Hello! I am going to the store. Thank you for my driver, my handsome boy. Ayan. Mag-grocery me sa Costco. Grocery daw, pero ang paliton, toilet paper, paper towel. Ay, sagdi lang. Basta grocery gihapon. Walay magbuot. Tana padulong nami dool-dool na. Ay, usahay lami po ning passenger princess rata ba. Kita mag-drive. Okay, see you there. We're at Costco na. Shopping. Akong bana nagpapalit og cookies pero ano, dara 9. Unsa man ni siya? Cookies, Nya nagpapalit siya cookies na irang dalaos trabahoan ni panghatag. Diyos ko po. Mayra bagbarato. Sa man $10, 500 pesos naman eh. Ginoo ko, tabang. Kani, nadari, kani ulami kay ni siya lutoon. Ikan kayong tambok, pork belly, siya ba? Ribs. Barato na yung ribs na riba. Duha ka pilam ni 3 packs siya nga ribs, $28. Mga salad na set na siya. Apod ilang wrap diri. Mga salad, healthy living ni siya guys. Aray, dili na to maghapit-hapit kay nga ang budget na to gamay lang. Diretso na ta sa paper towel and toilet paper. Mo na giari na to. Unya, kasagaran. Mamunit ta bisag unsa. Ang 3 things na himong 10 things. Pastilan. Kaya salam ning toilet paper dore. Dara. Toilet paper. Barato-barato lang toilet paper. Water. Dara. Ginoo ko, tabang. Ang Charmin, gisale niya. 6.50. Ogoy. Charmin na lang tanak. Nak.
Yeah.
We'll get the Charmin, nak.
Ito what?
This one.
Kita?
Yeah. Is that a 2-ply? 2-ply.
2-ply?
Yeah, I like that. I actually like the Scott because it's thin but it's strong. But it's not on sale. I don't know where the price is. Ano price aning Scott? Nakuha na namong toilet paper and paper towel. Mahal kayo ang ginoo ko. Dili man nakasale ang paper towel, guys. Nya bounty akong gikuha. $28 kapin. Ang toilet paper, 23 something. Kaya nakasale man at least. Okay na lang. Pero man, this one is gonna last me a couple months. So, carry na to. Carry na. Yan yung mga ice cream. Diet ta. Pasa ta. Magnum. You know, Magnum is like the best ice cream na. Mahal lang. Ano titulan man nag-fatboy. Ay, ano man siya. Baga kayo ang iyahang ice cream mo sa tunga, Baga kayo. Darang paboritong cookies akong inahan. Kaso lang. Nabago ako nagpadalag box ba. Di na ako magpadala karon. So, pass muna ata ana. Plus, it's na on sale man, Magulat kita nag-sale kay tay budget. Okay, darang mga chocolate. Wala man yung sale ang chocolate, guys. Oh my God, why does this tree look real? It's not real. It's just fake. So, wala man pa man ang sale ang mga chocolate. Dili lang kumupalit kani. Oh my mercy. Oh my God, look at that. 54 pieces chocolate bar. Pero 15 pa siya. Di lang ko ano mo palit for now. Who wants to eat? Who wants hot sauce? Sale ang hot sauce, hot sauce, red hot. Saan man na akong hot sauce? Ngita mi sa iyahang. Look at that one. They actually have this. I like fresh though. Tara, nangita mi sa iyang protein shake. There's another one, but you don't like chocolate, right? This is chocolate. Muscle milk! What about this one? No?
Actually, make my protein.
I thought we're here for you to buy milkshake. Milk what protein shake.
Can we buy like a bundle of chicken? I can tell you.
Oh, sale po ni siyang protein bar. Okay, mga protein bar man ni siya. Di man ko ganag protein bar. Ano? Gani mga energy bar. You guys, I gotta show you something. So, look at this one. Looking for the candle for a birthday gift, right? And then I found this one. Look how big is that candle. It's bigger, triple size than your face. It has 5. What is this thing called?
Like candlewood?
Yeah. I buy this candle. You gotta get one set for mama. Mag-check out na mi guys. Kaya nga no, mahal ka. Wala na tayo budget na re. Wala na me. Try ko itong, what was the name again on this one, baby?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Nah, this is my first time buying this. Ooh.